I absolutely love Polaroid pictures, but the camera only lets you take a picture of what's happening in the moment and not print out anything that has happened in the past, while the Instax printer lets you do that, so that's why I invested in it. This is the version 2, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Here in the back is where you put your Polaroids, and here is the button to turn it on. So I'm going to turn it on and show you guys me printing a cute little photo of my dog, Max. So I do have the app downloaded on my phone already, and here it is. I already have the picture ready to go. Now you can add text and stickers, you can edit the photo, add filters, and correct it as well, including brightness, contrast, and saturation, which is awesome. So I usually auto correct this so it is always ready to print perfectly, and I just click on print and there you go. It's going to swipe up on my phone and come out of the printer. It does take a couple of minutes to really set up the photo. Again, it's a Polaroid, so it's going to take a little bit of time to develop, but here it is. So when it comes out, it's white, and you might think, oh my god, where is my photo? Give it a couple seconds, and I recommend placing it down like this so no light gets to it and it develops super quick and fast, and I'll show you the final product. So as you can see, the photo is slowly developing, and by the time it's done, it looks like an actual photo. I really like the Polaroids. You can always buy more, and you can print as much as you would like. It is absolutely incredible, and the app has so many fun little things that you can add. You can even do surveys and things like that to see how compatible you are with your friends, and it will show up when the picture prints. I absolutely love having these around my room, and they're absolutely gorgeous. So you can check this Instax printer out on Amazon. It is an incredible product that lets you print so many photos and really keep all your memories together. Check it out.